This is Kathy from Kathy's Crochet Closet, and I'm going to show you how to do wrapped double crochet clusters. I use this technique in my Sarasota Beach Bag pattern, and there are lots of ways to do wrapped double crochet and different kinds of clusters. I'm just going to show you the one that I'm using in my pattern. And I'm working in the round today. I've just created a couple rows of half double crochet just to have a base to work on. And I'm going to start the first cluster by chaining 3. And this is going to count as a double crochet. And then I'm going to do a second double crochet right next to it. And now to do this wrapped technique, my next stitch is actually going to go around the ones that I just completed. So I'm doing double crochet, so I'm going to yarn over, and I'm going to insert my hook way over on the right side of that first stitch. I'm going to grab my yarn, yarning over, and kind of pull everything up so I'm where I started. And I'm just going to go ahead and complete the double crochet. I pull through 2, I yarn over and pull through 2. That's my first cluster. I'm going to go ahead and do a few more. I'm going to skip the next stitch below, and in the next 2 stitches I'm working double crochet. Now this one will be a little bit easier since it's not the starting stitch. I'm going to yarn over just like I'm doing a normal double crochet, putting my hook over to the right of those 2 stitches, grab my yarn, pull it up, and then yarn over and complete my double crochet. And there's another cluster. Let me show you another one. I'm skipping a stitch. I'm doing double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And now I'm going to wrap the stitch by doing a double crochet around it. My hook is going to the right, grabbing the yarn, pulling up, and completing the double crochet. So there are my first 3 double crochet or wrapped double crochet clusters. I'm going to go ahead and finish the row, and then I'll be back. So here I am at the end of the round. I've got one more cluster to go. I'm going to go ahead and complete that. Double crochet, another double crochet, and then reaching around, going to do a double crochet around them. And I just wanted to show you that when I'm joining to that first cluster, you have to kind of pull that chain 3 up a little bit to get to it. And now I can see the top of my starting chain 3, and I'm going to go ahead and join to that. And there we go. So there is the wrapped double crochet cluster technique.